A common example is not automatically weak. It becomes weak when the angle is common too. Originality usually comes from what you make the example prove. The topic is what happened. The angle is the knowledge problem you extract from it. TOK rewards the angle much more than the topic name. Common examples fail when they retell events, list facts, or make a claim so broad that almost any example could support it. Original does not mean obscure. It means the example is used in a precise way to test a specific knowledge claim. You can make an example stronger by changing the claim, changing the AOK lens, or changing the limitation you analyze. If the example feels obvious, ask it to prove a narrower claim. A narrow claim often reveals a more interesting TOK issue. The same example can look different through method, evidence, language, perspective, ethics, or interpretation. A new lens creates a new analysis path. A strong limitation can refresh a common example. Ask where the example stops proving what students usually claim it proves. Climate change is common. It becomes generic if the paragraph only says, "Scientists use evidence to know the climate is changing." A stronger angle asks how climate models turn incomplete data into reliable projections and when uncertainty changes public trust. COVID data is common. It becomes generic if the paragraph only says, "Data helped people make decisions." A stronger angle asks how changing definitions, testing access, and public communication shaped what counted as reliable knowledge. Art interpretation is common. It becomes generic if the paragraph only says, "Everyone has different opinions." A stronger angle asks how shared conventions guide interpretation while still leaving room for a personal response. Historical sources are common. They become generic when students simply say, "Sources can be biased." A stronger angle asks when multiple biased sources still create a useful pattern and when they hide the same blind spot. Ask whether your example proves this exact claim, or whether it could be copied into 10 different essays. If it copies too easily, sharpen the angle. Use details that serve the knowledge issue. Do not add details just to prove you know the event. Ask whether the example reveals something specific about the AOK. If the AOK disappears from the analysis, the example feels generic. The example should not merely relate to the claim. It should pressure the claim, clarify it, or reveal its limit. Do not choose a strange example just to look original. If the knowledge issue is unclear, an obscure example can become even weaker. Retelling is the fastest way to make any example sound generic. Keep only the event details that help explain the knowledge problem. Before using an example, write one sentence explaining what work it does in the paragraph. If the sentence is vague, the example is not ready. Weak use. Galileo shows science changes over time. That is common because it names a famous case and a very broad lesson. Stronger use. Galileo shows how observational evidence can challenge authority when a community has methods for checking claims. Create 4 boxes: topic, claim, knowledge mechanism, limitation. The originality usually appears in the mechanism and limitation boxes. An examiner should feel that the example belongs to your argument, not that it was pulled from a list of famous TOK cases. If an example feels generic, do not replace it first. Rewrite the claim and angle first. Only replace the example if the knowledge problem remains weak. Common examples can work when the claim is specific, the AOK fit is clear, and the limitation is meaningful. Comment example if you want the 4-box example angle map. Originality starts with the angle, not the fame of the example.